In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply glitch effect using Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin with, I have this video added to the timeline. Now, to add the glitch effect, we have to navigate to Effects, and in the search bar, type in and find VR Digital Glitch Effect. Now, drag and drop this effect on the video in the timeline. And when you select this video, under Effect Controls, scroll down, find and expand VR Digital Glitch section. Now find Distortion, expand it, and adjust color distortion from 50 to 100. Now find Distortion Rate, change it from 50 to 0. So what the distortion rate does, if I change it to anything above 0, as you can see, it's just doing these little pixels here. Some people prefer to have them, but I don't, so I'll go with 0. Now lastly, let's add a bit of noise. So expand the noise section and change noise strength from 0 to something like 80. Here we have added a level of noise. Okay. So now what we have to do is take the playhead and choose where to start this glitch effect. So let's say I want to introduce glitch effect around this point in time. Then go back to Effect Controls, find Master Amplitude, toggle Animation, click on this little icon here, and change Master Amplitude to 0. Okay, so we have added our first keyframe right here. Now, I'm going to zoom in here on this little timeline for better visibility, because what we have to do next is move 3 keyframes to the right. So I'm going to click my arrow on the keyboard to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then go back to Master Amplitude and change it to 100. Then click arrow 3 times to the right again. 1, 2, 3. And change Master Amplitude again to 0. Okay, so we have added these 3 keyframes. This is 0, 100, and 0. Now we have to move the playhead back to the first keyframe right here. This keyframe. Scroll up, find Position and Scale. Now toggle Animation for position as well, and change the scale from 100 to something like 110. Okay. Now we have created this keyframe in line with this first keyframe here. Next, we have to click 1 time to the right, just move 1 keyframe to the right like this, and change the position from the default settings of 960 by 40 to something different. So basically we have to shift this video out of its position. So let's move it a bit here, down. Just make sure you don't move it too far so you don't have this black border right here. Keep it within the boundaries, like this. Now move 1 keyframe to the right again. Okay. And then click here to reset parameters. So basically go back to defaults. So we have default settings, different settings, here default again. Let's click once to the right again and change it to something different now. Make sure you don't introduce the black borders again, like this, and then click the arrow to the right 1 more time and reset parameters again. So we're doing this sort of alternating defaults, change default, change settings. Now if I move the playhead here, replay. Okay, as you can see now it's doing this little glitch effect. But what we can do now as well is zoom out like this. I'm going to just select all these keyframes here, click Ctrl+C on my Windows PC keyboard, move the playhead, let's say around this point in time here, and then click Ctrl+V. So I just copied the whole set of these keyframes and added this same glitch effect just at a different time of this video. Now the glitch effect here and here is going to be identical, but you can easily zoom in on each individual keyframe and just adjust the position settings so it looks slightly different. If you want to have the same glitch, then you can just copy paste the settings as is. Now if I replay the video here, this is one glitch, and then here is the second glitch. Now, lastly, To make this glitch effect more realistic, what we can do as well is move to the very first keyframe here, like this, okay? Now I have this audio file. I'm gonna drag and drop it right here at the beginning of this timeline. I'm gonna adjust the duration, make it a bit shorter. Okay, and then I'm gonna move this playhead to the next glitch effect. Right here, it starts at this point, and I'm gonna make a copy of this audio file at this point here as well. So now if I replay this video, we should see glitch and also hear noise effect. Let's see how that looks and sounds. Alright, that's not bad. So please feel free to go around and adjust the settings to see what fits best for your project, but I think this is not too bad to begin with. So I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.